At Kiyokuni, quality isn't just a final inspection, it's built into every stroke of the press. In high-volume manufacturing, catching an error at the end of the line is too late. To deliver the precision our automotive and commercial partners demand, we ensure quality is a continuous, measurable process. As seen in this video, our coordinate measuring machine allows us to verify complex component measurements to micron accuracy. This isn't just about taking measurements, it's about maintaining the integrity of our zero-defect commitment. We operate under a certified quality management system to the Automotive Standard. Rigorous quality checks are carried out throughout the production cycle to identify and correct issues instantly. Our team applies decades of experience to ensure every part meets international standards. When you partner with Kiyokuni Europe, you aren't just buying a metal part. You are buying the peace of mind that comes with world-class quality assurance.